Finding inner peace, even in life's hardest moments, is not about escaping pain. It is about discovering a quiet place within yourself that no storm can reach. There will always be days when life feels heavy, when plans fall apart, when loved ones disappoint us, or when fear of the future steals today's peace. Yet hidden within every difficult moment is an opportunity to awaken to a deeper strength that has always been there. Imagine standing beside a calm lake at dawn. The surface is perfectly still until the wind begins to blow. Waves appear, reflections disappear, and the water seems restless. But beneath the surface, the lake remains calm. Our minds are much the same. Difficult situations are like the wind. They disturb our thoughts, but they cannot touch the deepest part of our being unless we allow them to. Many people spend their lives trying to control everything around them. They believe peace will come when problems disappear, when they earn enough money, when everyone approves of them, or when life finally becomes fair. But life has never promised endless comfort. Seasons change, people change, health changes, fortune changes. If peace depends on things that constantly change, then peace will always remain out of reach. Real peace begins when we stop fighting reality. This does not mean giving up. It means accepting that every moment is exactly as it is before deciding how to respond. Acceptance is not weakness. It is wisdom. The strongest tree is not the one that resists every storm, but the one that bends without breaking. Think about a candle burning in a dark room. The darkness cannot extinguish the light unless the flame itself goes out. In the same way, difficult times cannot destroy your inner peace unless you allow fear, anger, or bitterness to consume your heart. Every challenge gives you a choice. You can feed the darkness, or you can protect your inner light. When suffering appears, the mind often asks, "Why is this happening to me?" This question usually creates more pain than the situation itself. Instead, ask, "What can this moment teach me?" Suddenly, suffering becomes a teacher instead of an enemy. Loss teaches gratitude. Failure teaches humility. Waiting teaches patience. Loneliness teaches self-discovery. Every hardship carries a lesson wrapped inside discomfort. One of the greatest sources of suffering is attachment. We become attached to people behaving exactly as we expect, to success arriving on our schedule, and a life following our carefully designed plans. But life moves like a river, never staying the same for even a second. Trying to hold onto every pleasant moment is like trying to hold water tightly in your hands. The harder you grip, the faster it slips away. Instead, learn to appreciate without possessing, love without controlling, work without becoming trapped by results. Give your best effort, then allow life to unfold naturally. Freedom begins where attachment ends. Another hidden enemy of peace is comparison. Looking at others and believing they have easier lives only creates unnecessary suffering. Every person carries invisible burdens. Some smile while hiding deep sadness. Others appear successful while battling constant anxiety. Comparing your behind-the-scenes struggles to someone else's highlight reel will always leave you feeling incomplete. Your journey is unique. Your lessons are unique. The flower does not compete with the mountain, and the river does not envy the sky. Each fulfills its own purpose simply by being what it is. In the same way, your value does not depend on being ahead of someone else. It depends on becoming the best version of yourself today. Over time, you will discover that you are not your thoughts. Thoughts appear and disappear. Emotions rise and fall, but the awareness watching them remains steady. This awareness is where true peace lies. Forgiveness also frees the heart from invisible chains. Holding on to resentment is like carrying a heavy stone while expecting someone else to become tired. The weight belongs to you alone. Forgiveness does not excuse harmful actions. It simply releases you from carrying yesterday's pain into tomorrow. Perhaps the hardest person to forgive is yourself. Many people replay old mistakes for years, believing they deserve endless punishment. But guilt cannot change the past. Only wisdom can shape the future. Every mistake contains a lesson. Learn it, honor it, and continue walking forward with greater understanding. Gratitude transforms ordinary moments into sacred ones. Even during hardship, there is always something that remains. A breath, a sunrise, a kind word, a warm meal, a chance to begin again. The mind naturally searches for what is missing, but peace grows when attention shifts toward what is already present. Remember that difficult moments are temporary. No storm lasts forever. The longest night eventually gives way to morning. Pain changes. Circumstances change. Even the deepest wounds slowly heal with patience and care. When life becomes overwhelming, remind yourself that this moment is only one chapter, not the entire story. The strongest people are not those who never suffer. They are those who continue choosing compassion instead of hatred, hope instead of despair, and peace instead of fear, even when life becomes difficult. So when the next challenge arrives, pause before reacting. Take one slow breath. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Let your heart become still before your words move. In that single peaceful moment, you may discover that the strength you were searching for has been quietly waiting within you all along. True inner peace comes from within. Lasting peace is not created by perfect circumstances, but by cultivating a calm and steady mind, regardless of life's challenges. Inner peace is often misunderstood as something that appears only when life becomes easy. Many people believe they will finally feel calm after they solve every problem, achieve every goal, or remove every obstacle from their path. But life rarely follows such a plan. Challenges come without warning, and difficult seasons are a natural part of being human. If peace depends on perfect circumstances, it will always remain temporary. Real peace begins when you discover that calmness is an inner quality, not an external reward. Just as the deep ocean remains still beneath crashing waves, your deepest self can remain steady even when your thoughts and emotions feel unsettled. Every day offers an opportunity to strengthen this quiet center through awareness and patience. Instead of allowing fear to control your actions, pause for a moment and take a slow, gentle breath. Notice how your body relaxes when you stop resisting the present moment. The mind may still produce worries, but you do not have to follow every thought it creates. Observe them like clouds drifting across a wide sky, arriving and leaving on their own. As you practice this way of living, you begin to understand that peace has never been something to chase. It has always existed within you, waiting to be recognized, protected, and nurtured through every season of life. Accept life instead of resisting it. Suffering becomes lighter when we stop fighting reality and learn to accept change, uncertainty, and difficult moments with wisdom. Life becomes much more difficult when we spend all our energy resisting what has already happened. The mind often says, "This should not have happened," or "things should be different." These thoughts create an invisible struggle that adds even more pain to an already challenging situation. Acceptance does not mean approving of suffering or refusing to improve your circumstances. It simply means recognizing reality as it is before deciding how to respond. A person who accepts the rain carries an umbrella instead of arguing with the clouds. In the same way, a wise heart faces life's difficulties with clarity rather than frustration. Every experience, whether joyful or painful, is temporary. Seasons change, people change, and even the strongest emotions eventually fade. When you understand this truth, you stop clinging to the past and fearing the future. You begin to place your attention on the present moment, where your real strength exists. Instead of asking, "Why is this happening to me?" ask, "What can I learn from this experience?" This simple change in perspective transforms hardship into a teacher. Every disappointment can build patience. Every failure can reveal hidden strength, and every challenge can deepen your understanding of yourself. By accepting life instead of resisting it, your heart becomes lighter, your mind becomes clearer, and peace naturally begins to grow from within. Release attachment and comparison. Letting go of unrealistic expectations, excessive attachment, and comparing yourself to others frees the mind from unnecessary suffering. Much of the suffering people experience comes from holding on too tightly to things they cannot control. We become attached to the way we think life should unfold, expecting people to behave exactly as we wish and hoping every plan will succeed. When reality fails to match those expectations, disappointment quickly follows. Attachment quietly convinces us that happiness depends on keeping everything the same. Yet life is always changing. The more tightly we cling, the more pain we create for ourselves. Learning to let go does not mean becoming careless or giving up on your dreams. It means appreciating what you have without believing that your peace depends on it. In the same way, comparing yourself to others steals the joy that already exists in your own journey. Every person walks a different path, carrying unseen struggles, hopes, and lessons. Looking at someone else's success while ignoring your own progress only creates feelings of lack and frustration. Instead of measuring your life against another person's story, focus on becoming a little wiser, kinder, and calmer each day. A tree does not rush to become another tree, and a river never envies the mountain. Each fulfills its purpose by following its own nature. When you
There is a
release
quiet power
attachment
inside every
and
human
stop
being.
comparing yourself with
Most people
others,
spend their lives
your
trying
heart
to be
becomes
louder,
lighter,
faster, stronger,
your
and more
mind
visible.
grows
But
quieter,
true strength is not
and
born in
lasting
noise.
inner peace
True
begins to
strength is
take
born in
root
silence.
naturally.
The river that flows
Practice
deeply makes
mindfulness,
little sound.
silence,
The mountain does
and
not
forgiveness.
announce its greatness.
Spending time
The
in
sun
quiet
rises without
reflection,
speaking, yet the whole
observing
world
thoughts
awakens
without
before it.
judgment,
In the
and
same way,
forgiving
the strongest
both
person in
others
the
and
room is
yourself
often the
creates
calmest one.
emotional
When you learn
freedom
to stay
and inner
silent, you
balance.
stop wasting
But a
energy
peaceful
explaining
mind is
yourself
not
to people
created
who
by
have already
avoiding the
decided
noise of
not
the
to
world,
understand
but
you.
by learning how to
Silence
remain
protects
calm
your
within it.
peace.
Every day,
It keeps your mind
countless
clear. Every
thoughts,
unnecessary argument
worries,
steals a piece of
and
your
emotions
spirit. Every
pass
reaction
through
gives
the
away your
mind like
power.
travelers
But when
on a
you
long
remain
road.
calm, people can
If
no
you
longer
follow
control
each
your
one,
emotions.
you will soon
They
feel
expect anger, but you
exhausted
give them
and
peace.
overwhelmed.
They expect
This is
weakness,
why
but you give them
moments of
stillness.
silence
And in that
and
stillness, your
mindful
true power
awareness
begins
are
to grow.
so
A
valuable.
calm mind
Even a
sees what an
few
angry mind
quiet
cannot.
minutes each day
When
can
emotions
help
become
you
wild,
reconnect
people
with
make
the calm
decisions they later
that already
regret.
exists within
They
you.
speak words that
Sit
wound others
comfortably,
and poison their own
breathe
hearts.
naturally,
But the
and
peaceful
simply
person
observe
watches
your
carefully
thoughts
before
without
acting.
trying to
They
stop
breathe
or
before
judge
speaking.
them.
They
As you
observe
watch them
before
come and
reacting.
go,
Because of this,
you
they
begin
move
to
through life with
realize that
wisdom
they do
instead of
not
chaos.
define who you
Calmness
are.
is not weakness.
They are temporary
Calmness
visitors,
is mastery of
not
yourself.
permanent
Many
truths.
people think power means
Along with
controlling others.
mindfulness,
But real power is
forgiveness
controlling
becomes
your own
another
mind.
powerful
If someone can make you
source
angry with a
of
few
inner
words, they
peace.
control you.
Holding
If
on
someone's
to
opinion
anger or
destroys your
resentment
peace, they own
is
your
like carrying
emotions.
a heavy
But when you
burden
become
that
silent and
grows
calm, you
heavier
become
with time.
untouchable.
It
The
drains
storms
your
around
energy
you may continue,
while
but
changing
inside you there is
nothing about the
stillness.
past.
And from that stillness
Forgiving
comes
others
clarity,
does
confidence,
not
and
mean
strength.
forgetting what
Your life
happened
changes the
or
moment you stop
pretending the
reacting to
pain was
everything.
not
You begin
real.
to protect
It
your
means
energy.
choosing to
You stop
free
chasing
your
approval.
own heart
You
from
stop trying to
bitterness.
prove your worth
The
to
same
people who cannot
kindness
see your
should be
value.
extended to yourself.
Instead, you grow quietly
Everyone
like a
makes
seed beneath the
mistakes,
earth. Your
and every
transformation
mistake
happens in
offers a
silence
chance
first.
to learn and
Others
grow.
may not notice it
When
immediately,
mindfulness,
but one day they will see the
silence,
results.
and forgiveness
Your peace
become
will shine
daily
through your
habits,
eyes.
your heart
Your
grows
patience will
lighter,
shape your destiny.
your reactions
Your
become
silence will
gentler,
speak louder than your
and
words
true
ever
inner
could.
peace
Do not
begins
fear
to
being alone
flourish.
in your journey.
Every hardship
Transformation often
contains
happens in
a valuable
solitude.
lesson.
Sit quietly with
Challenges
yourself.
are
Listen to your
opportunities
thoughts.
for personal
Understand your
growth.
fears. Heal your
With
wounds without
patience,
announcing them to the
gratitude,
world. A peaceful
and
heart does not need
resilience,
constant
every
attention.
difficult
It
experience
simply
can
grows
become a
stronger
step
each
toward
day.
greater
Remember
wisdom
this.
and
The
lasting
people who react
peace.
to everything become
Every
exhausted by
difficult
life.
experience
But the people
carries
who
a
stay
lesson,
calm become
even if
powerful
that lesson
beyond measure.
is not
Silence
immediately
sharpens the
visible.
mind.
When
Patience
life
strengthens
becomes
the spirit.
painful,
Peace
the
attracts
mind
wisdom.
naturally
And when
focuses
wisdom
on
enters
what
your
has been
life, everything
lost
begins to change.
instead of what can still be gained.
Silence protects your
Yet
energy.
many of the
Constant
qualities
arguments and
that shape a
reactions drain your
strong
inner
and
strength,
peaceful
while
person
silence
are
helps
born
preserve
during
peace,
life's
focus,
hardest
and
moments.
emotional balance.
Patience grows while
Most
waiting
people
for
lose their
better
energy
days.
not because life is
Compassion
difficult, but because
deepens
they react
after
to everything
experiencing
around them.
personal pain.
Every
Courage
argument, every
appears
insult,
when
every negative
fear
opinion
must be
slowly
faced
steals their
instead of
peace.
avoided.
They feel the
Wisdom
need to explain
develops
themselves,
through
defend
mistakes,
themselves, and prove their
failures,
worth to
and
others.
unexpected challenges.
But the more they fight for
Rather than
attention and
asking why
validation, the
hardship
more
has entered
exhausted
your
they
life,
become.
try
A
asking what it
peaceful
is
person
teaching you.
understands something
This
very
simple
important.
shift in
Not every battle
perspective can
deserves a
transform
response.
suffering
Silence
into
is
an
not
opportunity
surrender.
for growth.
Silence is protection.
Gratitude
It
also
protects the
plays an
mind from
important
unnecessary
role
noise
during
and protects the
difficult
heart from
times.
emotional storms.
Even when life feels
When you stay
overwhelming,
silent, you begin to
there's
observe
always
life
something to
differently.
appreciate.
You stop
Whether it
wasting
is a
your energy on
supportive
people who
friend,
misunderstand you
a quiet
intentionally.
sunrise,
You stop feeding
a
anger with
healthy
more
breath,
anger. Instead
or
of
the chance
reacting
to begin
immediately,
again.
you pause.
Focusing on
In
these
that
small
pause, wisdom
blessings
begins to grow.
does not
Silence
erase
gives you the power to
problems.
think
think clearly
but
before
it
speaking
changes
or
the way
acting.
your heart
Many people
carries
speak
them.
out of emotion
Remember
and
that
later
no
regret their
storm lasts
words.
forever.
But the
Every
calm person
season
speaks
eventually
only when
changes,
words are truly
and
needed.
every night
Because
gives
of this,
way
their
to
words
morning.
carry weight
By
and
meeting
meaning.
hardship
Energy
with
is
patience,
precious. Every day
gratitude,
people give it away
and
without
quiet
realizing it. They
determination,
give it to gossip,
you become stronger
negativity,
without
jealousy, and
becoming
endless
harder.
conflict.
In
But
time,
a wise person
you will
protects
discover that
their
your
inner peace
greatest
like a
struggles
sacred
were not
flame.
obstacles
They
blocking your
understand that where
path,
attention
but
goes, energy
teachers
flows.
guiding you
If you
toward
focus
deeper
constantly on
wisdom,
negativity, your
lasting
spirit becomes
resilience,
heavy.
and
But when you
genuine
choose
inner
silence,
peace.
your mind